friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be reviewing about a new skincare launch by Wow, and this is the product, their Lift and Firm Aloe Gel. You can be really so confused about what's so special in aloe gel, but this is something special because this has inbuilt massager in this. I'm going to be talking everything in detail about the ingredients in this, whether it's allergy free, whether it's like what are the uses of this, and everything in detail. So don't skip the video and watch fully. I got it in a new launch offer for $4.99, and this is 120 ml packaging. I got the packaging like this. All the ingredients and uses are listed here. So when you open it up, you get the product. Also with that, they have scent products that Wow has in their range. It's their beauty book. You will be getting this beauty book in every product you buy in Wow. So this is I love their onion black seed range. I am just using it for a month now. So I thought, why can't I give try to this aloe gel too, and I so purchased this. So coming to the product, so the packaging is like wide and flat. Okay, so this comes with a cap. So when you open it up, you get the massage roller with this. They have their on and off. I thought it's going to be something automatically rotating, but it's not that. For opening up this, you have to just twist this. So when you do this, the product will come from this, and after that you can massage using those rollers. So when you're finished, you can just do this and it gets closed. So there is no worrying about the product leakaging. It's completely safe. So this is not just the aloe gel, it is infused with jojoba oil, hyaluronic acid, vitamins B and E. And the use of double roller is for firming the cheek, neck and jawline. This is something dermatologically tested, so it's definitely going to suit for all skin types. But however, I always do a patch test before I use any skincare products, and I recommend that to all. Talking about the key ingredients, their main ingredients are aloe vera extract, matrixyl synthen 6 and hyaluronic acid. You know that aloe extract is so nice for nourishing and hydrating our skin, and matrixyl synthen 6 is for skin building anti-wrinkle peptide that work at cellular level to improve the skin's collagen and elastin structure. So they have used this to give the anti-wrinkle properties, and hyaluronic acid is something we know that's going to really help to absorb the moisture from the atmosphere and maintain our skin's moisture level. So next is the jojoba oil, and this is rich in omega-3 fatty acid, and this helps to repair and nourish our skin, and this minimize the dryness. Talking about the uses of this gel is it helps to firm up sagging skin. Many of us will face the issue of sagging skin here, little bit here, you know. So when you are going to use this roller regularly, you will be feeling that these areas are lifting and getting firm day by day. We usually get fine lines under eye, and here there is a lot of lines. This is going to help with those fine lines and wrinkles. So this also helps even out the skin tone and gives you a good and bright complexion. It's clearly mentioned that you have to use it at least twice a day to see the result, and also have to massage it only for a minute, just for the product to get absorbed into the skin, and not definitely more than that. So only when I really feel that all the benefits are coming in one tube. How to use this: you have to just clean your face and squeeze out the gel as I mentioned. Apply it on your cheeks, jawline and neck area, and just do a massage, spread out evenly in your skin. And after that, you have to use these rollers to just do a massage. I've already done a patch test with me, so I didn't find any allergic reactions. So I'm going to use this on my face, and now this is the first time I'm going to use it on my face in front of the camera. The review is going to be something very honest. Okay, so I'm just opening it out, and I am twisting the cap. So I'm just twisting it. Okay, let me show you the product once before I use on my face. So it's not something like a regular transparent or green color aloe gel. It is something white because it is infused with other ingredients too. Quickly, I'll show you how this spreads. Yeah, this has no smell. Actually, this has no smell in it. So what I'm going to do is put it all over my face, just spread it, and then I'm going to use the roller. Also, I forgot to mention that this is free from parabens, silicones, color, fragrance. So that's why I couldn't feel any smell from this gel. And still, this is not available in Nykaa. You can definitely get it in Amazon. I'll be putting the link in the description box, so don't forget to check it out. If you are a person who regularly massage your face, then this will be a super duper product for you. Also, for persons who are traveling, if they want to carry some good skincare stuff with this, they can definitely use this because this has a roller, also the product in one packaging. So there's definitely no need to carry any massages separately, also the product separately. We almost talked about the product, so it's time for usage in our face and see how this is going to work. I'm really excited. Okay, I'm opening it up. I'm just going to take a product in back of my hand. Okay. Well, so when you do this, I feel that this roller comes in between. So, okay, let me take like this. Okay, I have taken this much, and I'm again closing it back. I'm not going to be completely making the product go into my skin because I want the massager to do the job. Just using my fingers to blend it out, that's it. Okay, so you can see the product in my face like a shiny thing. Okay, so when you start from your jawline, you have to go up to your ears like this. Okay, this is not so harsh. So when you do a massage regularly, it's going to boost the skin circulation. So automatically what it does to your skin is it makes your skin bright, it makes your skin to glow. A massage is something that you need to do regularly to your skin. Also, it tones the facial muscles. So what I'm doing is I'm going to use this right from bottom to top, like only in upward direction, not like this. I have read in many articles that only thing you have to maintain in massage is always you have to go only in upward direction and not like to and fro, not like this. Okay, okay, I'm also going to do only for a minute. This roller makes me feel so good. It's really nice. So when you move on to cheek to here, you have to start from here. Then, let me try this. So you can also use it like this. So if your product is not sufficient, you can dispense through this and use it. Into forehead, I'm just doing like this because this is not sufficient to go like this. Yeah. Maybe you can close your eyes and go a bit. It's like it's just catching the skin in between those rollers and doing like this. A minute is over now. So at the end, so I can really see that all the products have gone into my skin. Yeah, I didn't feel anything oily or greasy. When I touch my skin, I'm not feeling anything too much heavy sitting on my skin. So my skin has completely absorbed that, and for your reference, I am combination skin. So from my point of view, this massager is okay for me, but this is the first time I'm using and first impression is the best one. So this is So I find it to be best because this has a massager, this has a perfect combination of ingredients in one aloe gel. So also free from harsh chemicals, also dermatologically tested, and 120 ml for $5.99. So everything is like okay for me. I'll just show a close-up of my skin. So there is no oiliness or greasiness I could feel. You really need only a little amount of the product for completely cover your face, like the one I took in back of my hand. So do use this on your neck also. So when you use on your neck, you have to do like this, like from bottom to top. I think this review will be useful for you. So if you want to give it a try, do purchase in Amazon. It's really available in Amazon as far as I know. I'm linking it in description box, to check it out. And if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel also to support me. Just go and watch my videos. If you find it useful, then you can subscribe to me. Also do share it with your friends, and if you like this video, do give a thumbs up, and I'll meet you soon in my next interesting video. Until then, stay safe and take care. Bye.